Hi, Russ here. In this video I'm just going to show you this lesson plan template which I designed when I was doing my CELTA course last year in Cardiff. This is the basic lesson plan layout. This is where you've got the, as you can see, topic, type of lesson here, class level, so on and so forth, which is all the information that you have to enter to create a lesson plan. And on the second page, here's where we have the key, and this is where we put all the timing and so on and so forth. Now, you have to write all this kind of stuff yourself anyway, but a lot of it, all this information, you have to add every time. And if you create lesson plans yourself, you know how tedious and time consuming this can be. And what I've done is, there's a macro in here. Let me just try to remember what the password is. And here we can see where, here's my form, which you'll have to enter, okay? Just shows you that this is actually my template. And great, we'll reset that, and then we'll just close the document. So as you can see, it's called RC Lesson Plan. Here we have, sitting at the top of my recent documents, and I'm going to open the template. It's a .m, okay, which is a macro-enabled template. Now, if you know that you're working on a template, then that's fine, and you know how to open up a template without running the macros. But if you don't, then you probably just want to create a new document from it. So this is what's going to happen if I open up the template. Okay, now I can get this dialog box, which I'm sure you've seen before on my other videos. So I've opened up rc_lessonplan.m, which is at the top here. So I now click on OK, and then what will happen is a new document will be created. And here's what I get. I get the new document. And if you look at the top of the screen, it shows document 3. So this is the blank document. The template is actually still open in the back. It's down here on the screen, but I can't actually do anything with it because I'm locked into this form. So I now have to enter my topic name of lesson. So I'll just take the default here, okay? It's a grammar lesson, and let's just make it simple. I'll change that, teach past simple tense, okay? Then the lesson length, let's say it's a 60-minute lesson, and then class level. I designed this for my partner, she's an English teacher also in Thailand. Let's say, for example, you're teaching advanced level students, and the lesson plan is created by Russ Crowley. You can't change this field is locked, okay? So I'm going to put this template on the website, so if you want to download it and have a look, you can, okay? And then you can see what functionality is available. Then once that form's been created, I can't do anything. I can just close this here, but that's not the functionality I want. The information, as you can see in the header, just above this box, is telling me now it's lesson plan, grammar, lesson, and it's teaching past simple tense. So now I have to save my file, and I'm going to put it in my dump folder, and then it comes back, and then you can see that's populated there, and then I click OK, because one of the problems with creating documents is having a naming convention, and this follows a set coded naming convention. So you don't actually have to enter anything because you've already entered what you need to do. So I click on OK, and then if you look at the top of the screen, you can see lplan grammar, so on and so forth. And that's the name of the lesson plan. And in here you can see it's a grammar lesson, and it's advanced level for students. The lesson length is 60 minutes. Here are your lesson aims. Your lesson aim is number 1. Now if you need to enter another lesson aim, I'm sure you've got more than one, you need to double click to delete this text, then enter your own. So then I can type in blah blah blah, then I can put in another one, and so on. And then I double click to do my learning outcomes, and 1, and 2, and so on. Material aids, I'm going to be using a PC, I'm going to be using an overhead projector, and so on. Assumptions, and you basically follow this through. In the footer here, you can see it's created by Russ Crowley. It was last printed. Okay, it's a while ago since this was last printed. Like I say, I created this for my CELTA course, and then we come down onto page 2, and that's just the header and footer. And okay, you obviously have to put all this in because every lesson's different, but this is the kind of thing you can do. Hope you like the video, and like I say, I will put this macro template on the website for you to download and to have a look at. Thanks very much.